Question number 8, and this is, inspired also probably by those of you that watch. And I have bird feeders everywhere. I'm a bird nerd, y'all. I'm a nerd in general, but today we're just going to say bird nerd. So question number 8, if I hang bird feeders around the yard like you, aren't they going to eat all my fruit? They are going to eat some of your fruit. Yeah. But the reality is you're not going to keep birds out of your system. The birds are going to be on your property unless you live in a biodome. If you live in a greenhouse, great, then you have no problem. If you live in any open air system, then, birds are going to be in your system. So I like to give them their space and then I get to have my space. Now, they don't know boundaries the way that you or I might, but it does gravitate them to that type of an area. Here's why I like them. Number one, there's really good research. And if you saw the last 2 classes ago, there's a really good research study called the sonic bloom theory, where the song of birds in anywhere between 400 and 5,000 hertz, when it interacts with soil biology, increases the yield and also the blooming of the stomata of the plant at a significant rate. So it's not woo-woo science. Probiotics in birdsong actually help your plants produce more fruit. There's actual science and studies by it. I also like bird songs because it does control insect population, insect worms, caterpillars, the pesky bugs, so it does provide insect control in my annual vegetable garden, but also in the food forest. And to be honest, I just like the way birds look. I like the way they sound. It brings me joy, so I do it. So yes, they do eat some fruit, but to me, it's a cost-benefit analysis. I would rather have them a part of my system, eat a little bit of fruit, than not have them a part of my system and have less fruit production, more bugs and pests and insects, and less joy in my life. So, it's kind of like coffee. Could I skip coffee and do those like mushroom-only coffees? Sure, I can. But why would I take the last amount of joy that I have in my mornings away from myself? I'm not going to do it, So it's like, could you eliminate the bird feeders? Yeah, but you're just going to have a better time in your food forest if you keep them. That's my thoughts.